If you're interested in a pre-cruise stay in Sydney, the Intercontinental is a well-located hotel and all of the rooms have been recently renovated. Come with me as we check out a King Classic high-floor room in the Intercontinental Sydney. The Intercontinental Sydney was recently renovated, with $120 million spent renewing the interiors to better reflect modern traveller tastes and expectations. The large king bed was very comfortable, and twin accommodations are also available on request. USB-A and USB-C slots, a double power point, and controls for in-room lighting and electric blinds on both sides of the bed provide a practical and luxurious touch. The ample sofa and small dining table provide room to expand beyond the bed, perfect for working or dining. There's a large television and smart speaker, though I couldn't get the latter to function. The built-in minibar offered a range of glassware, as well as complimentary tea and pod coffee machine. Snacks were available for purchase, plus there was a well-stocked mini fridge with a range of soft drinks, water, beer, wine and champagne. Storage was fairly limited, with 2 deep drawers found on this side. A separate wardrobe contained a large safe and additional drawers, plus hanging space. The Intercontinental is located adjacent to Sydney's Circular Quay, with close connections to transport by light rail, ferry, bus and train. It's around a 10-minute walk over fairly flat terrain to the overseas passenger terminal, making it a convenient launching pad pre- or post-cruise. The bathroom was completely modernised during the hotel's renovation, with luxury marble finishes and accent lighting. Upmarket toiletries in the form of shampoo, conditioner and body wash, as well as hand soap and lotion, were available for use. On the ground level of the hotel, the Treasury is open daily from 8 AM until late and functions as both the lobby bar and a hotel restaurant, offering both lunch and dinner. Beautifully designed, it's difficult not to admire the architecture and prominence of the 170-year-old sandstone structure, especially over a martini. I hope you enjoyed that tour. The rooms here are recently renovated and you can tell they're very fresh and they're beautifully designed. So it's a really nice hotel, very well located. If you are interested in a pre-cruise stay, it's not a bad place to consider at all. If you're interested in booking a cruise or anything else, you can head to my website, thecruiseandtravelguide.com.au, and you can also give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram at The Cruise and Travel Guide. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.